it's Pam, and it's Pam's Wig Adventure. So today's adventure is the Razored Lob in Marble Brown Melt. Now, this numbers are EX5 12 24 number 6 Marble Brown Melt, and it's Razored Lob. And I paid $66.39 at the paulayoung.com website for this. Okay, so let's look at her cap construction. So she's got, oh, this is the one that I was supposed to fix, that this was broke. I could put a little bit of crazy glue through that. All right, so she's got velvet ears. She's got a little bit of velvet right there. And then the velvet, I'm gonna have to fix her later. Yeah, I gotta put it through the loop and then just glue it. Put some crazy glue on it, because it's disconnected from the Velcro. So I just gotta crazy glue it on. That's all. All right, so I'm gonna put her on. Hopefully this is not gonna bother how it fits. It feels okay. All right, and I don't want to mess with bangs, so I'm hoping bangs are okay today. I think it was okay. I think it just kind of goes sideways, right? Yeah, I think it's just, let's see. How does this want to go? Yeah, I just want it to go to the side. I don't want any bangs, like bangs. I just want side. Yeah, I just want like that. So, I don't want permatease. Doesn't have permatease in here. It's got a little bit. It doesn't really. I think this is more of a down kind of style. Yeah, there's not really permatease in here. Okay, so this is probably all like the lift that I want. Yeah, I don't think, do I want to do anything to her? Not really. I don't really. Let me see the part. I just want to fix the part so that it's not like, we just comb it back a little bit. And then comb it over. Yeah. And she's cute. Razored lob. Let me show you all sides. I have my son, my grandson's graduation from 6th grade today. So she's going to be going to a 6th grade graduation. Does it look shiny? Should we put dry shampoo in it? I think she looks okay. All right. Yeah, I don't feel like messing with her. I got a little bit of a headache today. So I'm not in the mood to like mess too much with my wigs. I just want it to be a throw and go. All right, let me show you my outfit. I'll take you right over. Where am I? Oh, I had to switch what you call it. Okay, this is the outfit for today. This kind of ties in the front. It's a little bit off the shoulder or I can put it on. I keep switching it back and forth. I don't know. And these are a little bit to the ankle, and I got these cute little shoes on to give me like a little bit of height, so I look at least a little cute. All right, so this is the look for today with razored lob. Yeah, I think she looks cute. All right, I will talk to you tonight. Hi folks, it's actually the next day, but this is my end of night summary for razored lob. So she did not work at all. I could not wear her. So I ended up throwing on Jameson. She was way too hot. The hair in the front was just like, it was not loose at all. It was just like stuck to the cap. It couldn't go. It was way too hot. I was sweating. It didn't look right. So I threw on Jameson because I had a graduation to go to. So this is my end of day summary for razored lob. This is what I ended up wearing, was Jameson. But I wanted to just film something so that I had an end of day summary. I'm going to revisit razored lob because she didn't work. She didn't work for me at all. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I just wanted to show you, and I just wanted to film something so that I had an end of day summary so that I could update you on what happened. She didn't work. She didn't work at all for me. So maybe let me get her. I'm going to go grab her and I'm going to show you what I meant. Okay. So you see this hair? Like this hair, it's just, it's too short, and it's just stuck to, it's just too sewn to, there's no looseness to it. It's stuck like to the cap. And it was, all this is too hot. It was too hot yesterday. And thank God I didn't wear it because it was an outside graduation. I would have been dying. I was already dying in the house. So it didn't work. This is like, cause this hair, it's just too sewn. Like there's no movement here. It's just sewn like right to the cap. Like I don't know if I'm explaining it right. Like it's just, there's no looseness or movement. Like see how this is loose and moves? This part right here, it's sewn right straight to the cap. So there's like no movement to it. It didn't work for me. It didn't work for me at all yesterday. Not for what I needed. So it's not to say that this wig doesn't work, but I had a graduation to go to, and this part right here, because it's just right there sewn to the cap. And then, so let me show you the inside of the cap, right? So you see this inside part? See this? All this all right here, it's way too hot. Way too hot. Way too hot. So I was dying. It was just too hot. All right, so that's my end of day summary for razored lob. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe so you'll get notifications when I upload. See you in the next one.